Will MaLong win the double Grand Slam in the Tokyo Olympics this summer? This is the questions that I have asked you. This is a very difficult task, but it is not impossible. How many chances that MaLong can finish his dream? And is it his last time playing in the Olympics? There are 5 Grand Slams in table tennis. This is a goal photo because there are 4 Grand Slams in one photo. MaLong is the 5th Grand Slam in table tennis. The question is, will MaLong be the first player in history to win the 2nd Grand Slam in table tennis? China will send 2 players for this Olympics men's single. It should be MaLong and Fan Zhendong. Will MaLong win the gold medal again? And 68% of you has voted for MaLong. Yes, he will win the gold medal again in Tokyo 2021. And 32% didn't agree. No, it is very hard now. He is old and weaker than 4 years ago. I always have hope for MaLong as he is my inspiration. MaLong and Fan Zhendong will be perfect. Hope Susin will be playing in the team's events. Fan Zhendong will win the gold medal. Personally, I think that it is much harder and harder now. So even the Chinese national coaches have prepared very well for the Olympics, the hardest tournament in the world. They are very stressful. No one can assure the results. Anything can happen nowadays. Why? Because the level gap between the Chinese players and the rest of the world is smaller and smaller. And the Chinese technique and Chinese training is no longer a secret for the world. The rest of the world is improving and learning from the top Chinese players. So today I want to show you the difficult moment of MaLong in the last Olympics, Rio 2016.